And one of the things that I find really, really exciting about being a scientist is that the more you understand the way the world works, the more you see these connections between different things where you didn't think there should be any connections.
The Chapman Visiting Scholars Series returned to the Nicholas Academic Centers on Saturday, September 27th with Dr. Jason Keller's presentation of Everything You Need to Know About Environmental Science in 2 Simple Reactions. Alongside Dr. Keller, nearly 40 students explored 2 simple biochemical reactions, photosynthesis and respiration, to understand how they influence a number of environmental issues ranging from ecosystem carbocycling to climate change.
Usable energy. Okay, so these are our 2 equations. And we've talked about how if you understand these equations, you understand what happens in the boxes, you understand what happens in a Tennessee forest, and you can begin to ask some really interesting questions about what may be happening over an urban ecosystem.
After sharing the equations for photosynthesis and respiration, Dr. Keller challenged students to use CO2 measurements to figure out which type of organisms were hidden in 3 mystery boxes. Students created line graphs to monitor the patterns of CO2 concentrations measured in the boxes over time. The results were surprising.
So here we go, are you ready? Box C. What? How can we possibly have a plant in box A which causes carbon dioxide to go down, but a plant, a very similar plant in box C that causes carbon dioxide to go up?
Students soon discovered that box C was wrapped in aluminum foil, which did not allow the plant to take in light, thus leading to respiration and an increase of CO2 concentration. After a light lunch, Dr. Keller started the second half of the lecture, this time focusing on how photosynthesis and respiration matters on a global scale. Among other topics, Dr. Keller examined global warming and the role of industrialization in the rapid rise of carbon dioxide concentration over the last 50 years.
Why is carbon dioxide going up in the atmosphere? More people, good. What are more people doing? Driving, what else are more people doing? Industry, what else are more people doing? Burning down forests, right? How many people have ever heard of global climate change or global warming? This is one of the most important graphs in the context of global warming.
Well, I learned that with the equation of photosynthesis and respiration, we learn about our environment, our ecosystem, and how it affects the whole world.
It was a really good experience because he was really interactive, and I actually understood it better than I do in my normal class, so that actually really helped me a lot.
The Chapman Visiting Scholars Series is made possible through the partnership between Chapman University and the Nicholas Academic Centers. Over the years, dozens of Chapman University professors have volunteered their Saturday mornings to the lecture series. As a result, since 2010, hundreds of Santa Ana Unified School District students have been exposed to a collegiate classroom environment through lectures such as the one presented by Dr. Jason Keller.